Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GEPC. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Before I get started, I'd like to note that please check my disclaimer. So here we are looking at the chart. Just forewarning up front, I'm going to be jumping in, kind of squishing up the chart, then expanding it, contracting it, and all for a good reason. I mean, this thing, we'll just hop right in with that. You can see here that since it basically came to life back here in October with this initial kind of volume and then price action, it got up above this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. Within the world of technical analysis, that's always an important moving average. And you can see that since it's gotten up above it here in October, it has been cruising up along it ever since. There's been times where the price has pulled back and retested it, but you can see each and every time that has happened, the price has acted like you would want to see it act and then gone up and bounced from that level. So good sign in and of itself there. And on that note, that's going to be one of the key levels of supports, but we'll come back to that later. Let's talk about some other areas of support before we get into the fun stuff, future areas of resistance. First area of support was actually put in yesterday and then confirmed today. So what do I mean by put in yesterday and confirmed today? Well, this high here was at 22 cents, so that was a resistance. Yesterday, you can see the price just busted up through there, and then, I mean, look at this. This is just beautiful technical analysis. Resistances become supports. So that was a resistance, and then today came back down here, back tested it, and you can see it bounced right from that spot. So 22 cents, newest area of support, and that was, like I said, confirmed today with the price falling all the way down here and then bouncing up very nicely from there. So 22 cents, an area of support. And then the other big area of support is right here at this level, and this is at 19 cents. If you look back through the history of the chart, you can see that this was a very stubborn area where the bulls tried multiple times to get up through there, but just couldn't quite do it. However, when they did do it right there, that's basically what started off this current breakout here. So again, being this was a level of resistance, it is now a level of support at 19 cents. So the three key areas of support to keep your eyes on. Well, I actually take that back. I missed this one. The previous high from yesterday, since the price closed above it, this is also a level of support. So that is at 26 cents. So I stand corrected. The four areas of support you want to watch are going to be at 26 cents, down here at 22 cents, there at 19 cents, and then the always important 50-day simple moving average. Any way you slice, I know nobody would want to see the price drop down there, and I'm not saying it will, but to scrunch things up again, you can see that for a long time now, the price has been maintaining above it, and as long as that remains the case, then the overall, keyword being overall chart, will remain bullish. Now let's hop in and look at some levels of resistance, and let me see. I think the weekly chart would just make the most sense for this, so I don't have to scrunch it up so much. So let's do that, and you can see here now we have future areas of resistance. So I mean, this is always a good sign when you have to go back this far into history. That just shows how much the price has moved. What is this? So okay, that makes sense. So the current area of resistance is right here. You can see this was a high back during the week of February 13th of 2012. That high is at 30 cents, and what was today's high? Today's high, 30 cents. So not a surprise there. However, the next area of resistance after 30 cents is not until this high up here, and that sits at 39 cents. So some nice potential here with another strong break of that. And then from there, the next area of resistance up at the 47-cent level. So you get the point. Lots of room to run with these breakouts. But at the end of the day, and since this is the weekly chart, you can see also on the weekly, it just got a very nice upwards channel to it. And that's what you want to see, higher lows. Remember what higher lows means from a level 2 perspective. Higher lows means those people that are sitting on the bid have to keep increasing their orders if they want shares. And for the overall chart and the overall, scheme of things, that's what you want. You want to make bidders have to raise up their orders. And as long as those level 2 bidders keep having to raise their prices, then that's going to force and cause higher lows, which is the definition of an uptrend. So all in all, nice looking chart. We'll see how it folds or unfolds tomorrow and then next week. But get it on your radar and let's see what happens with it. Again, this was GEPC. Thanks for listening.